Welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to help you with some common questions you might have when you host your first Discord bot. In case you want to host your own bot, you can check out bothosting.net, as it really is a premium free hosting. Not sponsored BTW. Now let's continue. Let's start with the panel. This is the first thing you see when you create an account at bothosting.net. From here, you see a lot of things, but you don't have to do anything besides going to the Earn Coins tab. Claim your 10 free coins, and then go to Create Server and create your first free server. As you can see, there are a lot of code languages to choose from. Choose the one you need and continue. Now you will have to select your plan and whether you want to pay weekly or monthly. After you have done all this, it is time to upload your first bot and host it. Press View on Control Panel to access the bot hosting panel. This is the place where you will manage your bot. Now when you go there for the first time, it might say Running Installer. This is nothing to worry about. This is normal. After 2 to 5 minutes, more information will appear, and you will be able to see the server we just created. You can press on the server and head over to Files. Here you can upload the files you want. However, in case your file size is too big, you can use SFTP, which is as simple as going to the Settings tab and press Launch SFTP. You can find your SFTP password in the panel settings. Now, after you have uploaded your files, it is important to check if you have set up the correct startup file in the Startup tab. Otherwise, your bot won't start. Once it's finished, you are finally ready to host your Discord bot. Head back to the console and press Start. Happy hosting. All links of bothosting.net are in the description. It is a 100% 24/7 free hosting solution, which I highly recommend using. That was it for today. See you in the next one.